I'm Dr. Carmack, and I'll be your instructor for the 1802A session. It's great to have you guys here at CTU and to have you in our Modern American History class. I wanted to point out a few key features of our virtual classroom to help you be successful in this course. The first thing I want to show you is this main page. Here you'll see all of the announcements that I will post. These are important to your success in the class because they give you pointers on what's coming up during the week, reminders about due dates, and any other relevant information to the course. So whenever you log on to the virtual classroom, be sure to check in on the announcements. The other things to take note of are our assignments. Here in the assignments box, you'll see the major assignment for our course is IntelliPath. This is an adaptive learning system that creates a specialized learning path just for you. This is where you'll spend most of your time in our classroom, is working through this learning path. The other two assignments are, first, a discussion board. This discussion board is the introductory discussion board that's due the first Friday of our course. This is a great place for you to introduce yourself to the rest of your classmates and to me. I've already posted my introductory post, so go in and check it out and tell us a little something about you as well. This is a great place for you to get to know your other classmates as well. Many of you have the same major, and so you can provide support to one another and get to know one another as you move through your college experience. This is also a place where you can ask questions. I'll be checking back in on the discussion board throughout the term, so if you ever have any questions, feel free to post them on the discussion board. You can also instant message me through the instant messaging system whenever I'm in the virtual classroom. Please feel free to message me there. You can also reach me during my office hours on Thursdays from 9 to 10 a.m. This is when you know you'll get an immediate response from me. I am always available via email at mcarmack@coloradotech.edu. And you can email me here, and I'll always get back to you within 24 hours on weekdays and 48 hours on the weekend. So anytime you need any help, feel free to shoot me an email. The major assignment for this course is your individual project in Unit 3. This project is worth 33% of your grade. You cannot get higher than a D if you do not turn in the individual project. So don't wait until Unit 3 to start thinking about the individual project. You can go ahead and start working on the project now. The individual project consists of 3 main pieces. I would highly encourage you to use the template that we've created in order to make sure that you include all parts of the project. I want to point out here the assignment-specific grading criteria. This is a breakdown of all the points and all of the key features of the project that I'll be looking for when I am grading the project. Another key part of the project, if you go under Learning Materials, you'll see that I've already begun posting important information about the individual project. Here's the grading criteria. Here's the template. I'll also be posting more resources associated with the individual project as we move throughout the term. So be sure to check back in on the Unit 3 learning materials for more information on that. We'll also spend a majority of our time in our, We'll also spend a majority of our time in our Unit 2 and Unit 3 live chats talking about the individual project. So if you're not able to make it live to the live chats, check back in here under the chat archive and you can watch recordings of those chats. We will meet from 10 to 11:15 a.m. on Wednesdays, every Wednesday from here to the end of the term. I hope you guys can make it, but as I mentioned, if you're not able to make it to the chat live, please check in on the chat archive and watch those chats recorded, because I will record all of those chats. Those are some key features of our virtual classroom. Like I said, I'm always available via email. If you ever have any questions, just shoot me an email, and I look forward to getting to know all of you and working through modern American history with you over the next 5.5 weeks.